What's up, everybody? It's Gary here from SaferWholesale.com, and today we're doing a little video of the Comrade 650 right here in the camouflage color. Now this one here, it's got the nice custom wrap job on it. And here we go, it's Safer Wholesale, the building right there behind us. We can ship nationwide this bad boy right to your front door. Now, we're gonna go over this unit in detail right here. And first off, one of the big differences, it now has the nice alloy wheel on there and the super rugged tire as well. You've got a lot of nice movement in the shock right there, as well as disc brakes in the front. You've got your optional 2,000-pound winch. And again, you've got nice bright lights in the front with turn signals. You've got your DOT mirrors right here. Check it on out. Your lights on and off. And then again, turn signals right here. Your horn. This is your kill switch. Also, we've got two-wheel drive, switchable right into four-wheel drive. And then you've got, again, your locking rear diff. Check it on out. And then you got your nice digital dash as well. You got your odometer, how fast you're going, your gas gauge. As you can see, we need some gas. You got low, high, neutral, and reverse. So check it on out. Low, high, neutral, and reverse. Your parking brake right here. Nice bucket seats for driver and passenger, as well as you've got your seat belts here as well. And it does come with the doors right here. You got your pull lever right here. Your gas and your brake. Cup holders as well. Glove box on the passenger side there with your nice roof, which is included. And then, of course, you've got your dump bed in the back with these. Go ahead and lock her on down. And then, of course, you've got your nice tailgate right here. Super rugged, heavy duty. Again, tail lights, LEDs, along with your optional ball hitch right there in the back. 650cc, 4-stroke, gas-powered engine. Check out that rear suspension as well. Again, disc brakes in the rear as well. You see the size tire right there. Again, nice alloy rims. Call us with any questions. 866-606-3991. Again, 866-606-3991, SaferWholesale.com. We can ship these bad boys, again, nationwide, right to your front door. Here we go. We got our parking brake on. Release that. And then, there we go. Put it in reverse. Oh, by the way, boys and girls, check this out. We also have cigarette lighter right there, so you can go ahead and plug in a heater. And then this is for your winch. Don't forget about, you've got Bluetooth right here on your radio, your volume, USB. Call us today, 866-606-3991. We can ship these bad boys, again, nationwide, right to your front door. Once again, high, low, neutral, and reverse. It's got a lot of power. Pretty sleek, pretty slick. And again, camo. Now we do carry this model right here in blue. We've got the dark carbon, which is like a black. And then we also carry red. So if you guys are looking for something in a cool specific color, now camo is going to cost you extra, once again, because it is, again, camo. But this bad boy right here, I mean, it's got a lot of power here. Really quick. So if you guys are looking for something fun, something cool, unique, and slick, here we go. Once again, the Comrade 650 in stock, available right now. SaferWholesale.com. Call us today, toll free. Again, 866-606-3991. SaferWholesale.com.